Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this are actually super fast to solve if you know the trick. Let's find that y coordinate at time 2 right now. First, we need to find the total change in the y position by integrating the given velocity function. We will set up a definite integral from time 1 to time 2. Now integrate 3t squared plus 2t with respect to t. This gives us t cubed plus t squared. Evaluating from 1 to 2 results in a net change of 10. Finally, add 10 to our initial y coordinate of 12. 12 plus 10 equals 22, which means option D is the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing to prevent sign errors and always trust your given initial values.